So guys, ano muna ako dito banda guys kasi so I'm here with Miming guys. Hello. Thank you so much. Here with Miming guys. Hello guys. So dito muna ako guys. I feel a little guys, tired. So ito muna ako guys. Medyo hapon na din. Ay, si Miming is here, guys. Hello, Ming. Thank you so much. Hello, everyone. Good morning sa inyong lahat, guys. So, kumusta kayo dyan, guys? How's your update early in the morning? I think it's not early anymore, guys, no? So, I think I'm late na naman, guys. So, ang update ninday, nakaligo na tayo, guys. Diba? So, as always naman, yung routine natin sa morning, busy. But now, I'm feeling relaxed na, guys. So, feeling relaxing na, guys. Ngayon pa, late na naman ang kape natin. So, I hope you have a good morning there, guys. So, wala tayong bread ngayon. So, ito lang muna, guys. Kumusta ang morning nyo dyan, guys? Lahat na ba nakapag-ligo na dyan? Lahat na ba feeling fresh or mabango? I think lahat na siguro, guys, no? Ako lang nahuli, no? Pati yung kape. Pagkape, late na naman. So, okay lang yun, guys. Importante, may time pa rin tayo. Magkape at saka mag-relax. Oh, have time to relaxing na at this moment na, guys. Tapos nang bisi-bisihan. So, kumusta kayo dyan, guys? I hope na your morning din dyan is great. You have a good morning din, no? So, maganda ang sleep nyo kagabi. So, I hope, guys. So, you have a nice day. Then, you have a nice day ahead. So, thank you so much. Thank you for watching, no? Mga pinagbisihan ko today, guys. Ayan tayo. Hello guys, so ako ay mag-display pa guys. Ayan. La 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 la. La 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 la. Tumingin sa akin si Kuya dumaan. La 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 la.